Hi, this is Srikant Tapadiya from Bangalore. I'm a financial planner, and with this quick video, I would like to stress upon one point related to insurance. We've been observing from past couple of years there are insurance term plans. Of course, the term plans have become great. However, now there is a new twist in insurance that in the term plan, people the company started promoting insurance term cover of up to 99 years or 100 years or maybe more. Okay, and the customers, they are getting trapped here. As a financial planner, my idea is strict no to such plans. I will tell you the reasons. Okay, first understand why we go for term insurance. Is it to make money out of it? Definitely not. Insurance itself says that we cover our risk. Remember 10 years back when the ULIPs were in the scene and people, every second person in this country who could afford to invested through insurance. That itself was a wrong idea. Okay, and later everybody realized that insurance cannot be an instrument to make money. It is to cover your risk. Now again, there's a new trend started in a couple of years. Like the insurance companies started promoting term insurance because term insurance has been the hot selling cake in past few years. People realize that ULIPs and the traditional plans or endowment plans are not very much suitable to cover your risk. So every second person today again going for term insurance. However, in the term insurance, understand why we go for term insurance or why we cover our risk. What is our risk? Okay, if I am an earning person to my family and if something goes wrong with me, my family may suffer because of the financial losses which could otherwise would have earned by me. So this risk should be covered through term insurance. Now, how long I would be working? If I'm a person in the job world, I may work till 60 years, right? Okay, so my insurance cover should be till 60 years. If I'm a businessman, a lot of people we see, surrounding, there are business people who work 65 years, 70 years, max 75 years. Okay, now I strongly recommend that go for term insurance till you will be working, because after that it becomes a kind of burden to you to pay the premium for it. Understand, 99-year plan, 100-year plans are really lucrative enough because we all believe that someday we will die and definitely we may not cross 90. That is all fine. However, understand one thing. Let's say if you if you retire at 60 years of age, what will happen in the 61st year of your age? Who would pay the premium? You may not be able to pay the premium that time. Then your children have to pay that. And the culture shift which is happening. 20 years back, the kind of culture, family culture we had in our country, today it is not there. 20 years down the line, because you may be at the age of 40, 45 today, or maybe 30. Just imagine when you retire, that means 20, 30 years later, the culture would definitely be in a very different shape. May not be as rosy as today, right? So, you expecting your children to pay the premium for a year term insurance may not be a good idea. I hope you're getting my point. Okay, so just don't think that the insurance is getting covered till 99 years. It is just not that, because as a customer, if you are smart, the product designers, the actuaries of insurance companies who are designing such products, they are 10 times smarter than you and me. Why are they coming up with this plan? We need to understand. Okay, you've been observing the average age, the living age of Indian human being is being increasing. Now the average age has come to 75, 76, 20, 30 years down the lane. That average age may be about 80 or maybe 79 or 78. Understand this is an average age, and you and me belong to the top 25% of the population, not the bottom 25% of the population where the average actually goes down. Means you and me may live little longer. Okay, maybe up to 80, 85 or maybe 90, I don't know. Okay, now think of it. Will we work till then? Definitely not. We would retire at 60. People talking about early retirement. Let's not get into that side. Okay, we'll take an average retirement age of 60, 65. So imagine from 65 years till 85 years till you die. Okay, these 20 years, the premium has to be paid. Otherwise, the whole purpose of taking a longer tenure term insurance would be gone. Alright, so think about it. I will again come back on this video series and with some facts and figures that my main message is very simple. Definitely you need to buy a term insurance. There is absolutely no alternative to it. But please buy term insurance till you're gonna work or till you're gonna retire. Means if you're planning to retire at 60, take a term insurance till 60. There is no logic if you are taking a term insurance of 80 years or 90 years or 99 years in this case, okay, whereas you are planning to retire at 60 because it's gonna be a burden. And I tell you something, it is at a very high premium.